Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to BODMAS and PEMDAS method. This is very simple arithmetic expression which we have to solve using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and see which answer is correct. If you will go to like other method or you do not follow the order of operation, so you will get the wrong answer. So here we will use the order of operation using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and we will solve and find out which answer is correct. Now let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's start a recap the what is PEMDAS and what is BODMAS. So as you can see on the screen, if you are using both PEMDAS and BODMAS are similar one, but it used in different region. It actually shows the order of operation which is used in different region. And if you are using any of them, so you can get the correct answer or same answer. So now let's talk about what is PEMDAS and BODMAS method. BODMAS is basically B for bracket and in PEMDAS, P is parenthesis. But the meaning of these terms are similar one. Like you have to solve if any expression you have, so you have to solve first the bracket, and either it is rounded bracket, square bracket, or curly bracket. So you have to solve the that part in the expression. And after that, you have to solve the exponent, which is x maybe square, cube, or so on. And it may be the root. So you have to solve after bracket, you have to solve the square root. And after that, you have to solve the multiplication and division. And multiplication and division has both equal sign, equal precedence, and you have to go left to right. If multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication. And if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And similarly, for both addition and subtraction, they have the similar precedence. And either you can solve the addition or subtraction, but it depends on which is coming first if you are going left to right. So now we will solve the expression which is giving, as you can see on the screen, 18 divided by 6 multiplied by 5 minus 3 plus 6. So as per PEMDAS and BODMAS method, you have to solve first the bracket one. So in our expression, we have the bracket which is this equal to 5 minus 3. So we have to solve this part. First, we will write as it is all expression, and after that, we have to solve the 5 minus 3 is equals to 2 plus 6, and 5 minus 3 equals to 2. And after that, we have to go again left to right, and we have to find out now which part we will solve first. So as per rule, according to the rule of PEMDAS and BODMAS, you have to solve the bracket first. But here we do not have bracket right now. So now we have to move forward like exponent or order. So here we do not have any exponent or square root. So now we will move to the multiplication and division. So if you go left to right, so you can see the first part of this expression is 18 divided by 6, which is equal to, which shows the, you have to solve this part first, not you have to solve this part. If you will solve this 6 multiply by 2, so you will get the wrong answer if you solve this part. So you do not have to solve this part, you have to solve first this part, 18 divided by 6. So here we will solve 18 divided by 6, which is equals to 3. So then we will write again same expression 2, 3. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 6. And here we will give the reference. So here we will write x reference is equals to 3. Again, we will write left to right. We will go left to right. And now we have to solve 3 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus 6. And here we will give the reference here equals to 6, right? And now we have to solve this remaining part. So here we have 6 divided to 6 plus 6 equals to 12. So the answer of this expression is 12. So I hope you understand how you can solve this part very easily and you get the correct answer. So answer C is the correct answer of this expression. And if you will go to other direction, like you have to, if you solve this part first, then you can get the wrong answer. So be careful for solving using this expression. We have to solve the order using the order of operation. And by order of operation, you can solve this. And after that, you can get the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.